Come stand in front of me so I can hide. That's a present for Aunt Emily, and that's the ribbon on it.
What's the present?
This one for
I
me.
have no idea.
Or for you.
All of those are for Granddaddy, Uncle John, and Aunt Emily.
I opened all of mine.
You've already opened yours, and you had more than anybody.
Hey. No, one everywhere.
You had a gift everywhere, didn't you?
Is this one for you or for me?
Let's see what it says. It says, to Bethany. Who is that?
Mama, what's this say?
This, let's see. It says, to Beth's husband.
That's Daddy.
Well, I can't believe you knew that. That's right. And let's see what that one says. It doesn't say anything because Grandma had already tore the tag off. Grandma likes to keep these bags so I can use them next. Look, let's see what this says. To a programmer, love Jesus. Who is a programmer? That's what Daddy does to make money. Did you know that? Daddy is a programmer. He works with computers.
You.
And who picked this out for Grandma?
Mama.
They are beautiful. I love the color.
I think this one is for me.
Okay. Look in there. I don't think there's anything in there, but there might be. See, we've already opened presents.
There's nothing in there.
I think the next presents you get will be from Grandpa Bruce and from Santa Claus.
Oh, here.
I think it's just paper, but you can open it. Let me pull that off.
Hey, the book's not
I
working.
think it's just old paper. You think it's just paper? You know what I'm going to give Daddy next year for Christmas? What I hope Santa will put in his stocking is some of those little Lindor balls. Oh, look how pretty my glove looks with this shirt. Oh, it's so warm. Doesn't that feel good?
Yeah. Is this the other one?
Uh-huh. It's hooked to this one. I've got to cut that little piece off so I can wear it like that. It's in the glove, Ollie. I can't get the other one. Oh, you want to see if you can put them on?
Yeah. I think I'm going to put this one on.
I bet you could put them both on.
But I can't.
Put this hand in here.
Okay. Hey.
Now put that one in there. Now, look at Daddy's. So we can get them
Here, try the hat on too. Look at me. You look like a snowball, Ollie.
What are you doing, boy?
He is wearing my hat and gloves. It's like a bumblebee to me.
Ollie, look at me and say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. You are. Nothing in all of your studying.
Nothing.
Mm.